Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to share a small Amazon haul where I've picked some colorful beauty items from Amazon. And this video is made in association with My Haul store. Amazon is running Monsoon Carnival wherein you can grab fashion and beauty items for up to 70% off, and for first time buyers there is a cashback as well. Sale is live from 7th June to 11th June, so do not forget to check it out and grab your favorite beauty and fashion items at amazing discounts. So let's start the video. I have picked a few items myself from Amazon, and let's start with the first product. So I have been seeing these magnetic lashes from a brand called CALAILIS, and these are eyelash and eyeliner kit, and this is a magnetic magnetic eyelash kit, which means you have to apply the eyeliner, and eyeliner has something in it which kind of glues the lash on top of it, so you don't really have to fiddle with it. It's very easy to use, and this product is 100% vegan, and this is cruelty free as well. So I would love to see how this performs on my eyes, and I have seen a lot of Instagram reels on this particular product, so I will definitely try it out and let you guys know. The MRP of this lash kit is 969 and I got it for just rupees 618, so I got around 30% off, which is amazing. And if you are interested in buying some nice lashes, you can give this brand a shot. Next I have this nail polish combo from a brand called DeBelle. I've already tried few nail polishes from this brand in the past and I personally really enjoy them. Here in this combo there are two colors. The shades here are Majestique Mauve and Laura Aura. Both the colors somehow look almost the same. Mauve is mauve as the name suggests. This one is Laura Aura. As you can see, it is a very nice pinky mauve color. And this is Majestique Mauve. So this is again a very nice mauve toned color. So like I mentioned, I've already tried nail polishes from this brand and I personally really enjoy the formulation. They stay on for a really long time, and also these are very comfortable, very long lasting. MRP of this nail polish set is 590, but I got it for 580 rupees. Now next is a lip and cheek tint from a brand called Seer Secrets. So this is the right time, like the lip and cheek tints are trending, cream blushes, cream lip colors are trending right now, and I think this is the right time to pick a lip and cheek tint if you are in the market for one. I have picked this in the shade Beetroot. It was on really good discount. So MRP of this lip and cheek tint is 590, but I got it just for rupees 299. The shade I picked is Beetroot, and this is how it looks like. I'll show you a swatch. It's a very pretty color, and the formula feels very nourishing as well. I'm super excited to give this a shot. Next I have Daughter Earth lip and cheek tint in the shade Pinot Noir. This is the lip and cheek tint. I have picked this in a very pretty purple color. I really like it. Like, this is a plum color, sorry, not exactly a purple, and it looks so pretty. This is what I have right now on my lips and cheeks. This color is looking pretty awesome on me, and I was looking for a color similar to this for a long time. I'll just quickly show you a swatch. This is the swatch. So again, this is a matte lip and cheek tint, but since it's a cream product, it always looks nourishing and moisturizing. It doesn't look flat matte on your lips, so it looks pretty nice, and I am pretty surprised and pleasantly surprised with the performance. The color looks really good on the lips. So the MRP of this lip and cheek tint from Daughter Earth is 975, but I got it for just rupees 715. Now next three products I have are from Sugar Cosmetics. So let's talk about the brow product first. So I have picked a brow powder. This is Arch Arrival brow powder in the shade Cherry Brown. I was pretty curious to see how brow powders work. Would it be pigmented? It is very pigmented, and it swatches nicely. I'll quickly show you a swatch. The swatch. So I have applied it on my brows today. The shade is pretty dark, pretty pigmented. The thing is, it's a little difficult to work with this product because of its tip, or the color is very dark, but my brows are looking nice. Let's check if it is still transferring. Yes, it is. A lot of it has come off. See, there is a swatch. So this product doesn't really settle on your brows, so if you sweat, you're going to have it all over your face. So MRP of this brow powder is $4.99, but I got it for $4.49. Now, as per the brand's claims, it stays up to 12 hours on your brows. It might if I don't start sweating. But the color is nice. It's very dark, and I did not have to go back to the tube again to get more color. You know, the color is very pigmented and very saturated, so you get very nice color payoff in just one swipe. I picked two eyeliners from their I Lit You So Vivid Eyeliner range. So the one I'm wearing right now is Pink Sphinx. The challenge is this eyeliner has dried down, the formula has dried down. I had a really tough time, so that's the reason why you can see half pink and half a black eyeliner going on. The swatch of the pink one I have applied. On hand it's swatching well, but on eyes it just kind of dries and cracks. I was really disappointed because this is not an inexpensive product. Now this product is priced at ₹6.99, although during sale you can grab it for ₹6.29. But would I recommend it? I don't think so, because it was very drying on the eyes. I just couldn't finish my eyeliner. I was very disappointed. The next shade I have right here is Orange Honey. These are like pastel in color. So Orange Honey, you can see it's right here. It is a bit liquidy. I will use it on my eyes and will let you know, guys, if these eyeliners are actually worth your money or not. I did not enjoy them, to be honest, and I'm not going to recommend them to you. You can see the pink one, now that it has dried, it is kind of cracking. Can you see? Here. It has started to crack. It looks very awful and crusty on my eyelids as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to link all the products in the description box today. Do not forget to check it out. So yeah, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.